Looking for a hassle-free way to connect your trailer's wiring to your vehicle without risking damage? Hopkins T-Connectors offer a simple, plug-and-play solution that keeps your vehicle's wiring intact while delivering reliable performance. No cutting, no soldering, no taping. Just a quick and clean connection that works every time. I've seen plenty of trailer wiring kits that require you to cut into your vehicle's wiring harness, which can lead to costly repairs or faulty connections down the road. With Hopkins T-Connectors, the prewired design covers all your basic lighting needs: right turn, left turn, tail lights, and even backup lights on select models, without ever touching the original wiring. That means preserving your vehicle's electrical system while making installation a breeze. The two-piece system adds extra versatility. If one part gets damaged, you can simply unplug and replace it without redoing the entire setup. Installation takes just 4 easy steps, so you can have your trailer ready to go in minutes. Customers rave about how straightforward it is. One owner of a 1972 C10 called it a breeze to install, especially appreciating the fair price for such a high-quality product. Hopkins has been a trusted name in towing electrical products for over 20 years, known for innovation, durability, and consistent performance. When you choose their T-Connectors, you get peace of mind knowing you're using a proven system that won't compromise your vehicle's wiring or your safety on the road. If you're tired of complicated installs or worried about damaging your vehicle, this is worth a look. Ready to simplify your trailer wiring? Hopkins T-Connectors deliver what you need: easy installation, reliable connection, and protection for your vehicle's electrical system. Try it when you're ready and experience towing made easier and safer.